Hello and welcome to this tutorial about how to place a multi-leg order on Webworker. A multi-leg order allows you to add an option order that will be executed together with the first order. In December 2016, TD Direct Investing became the first bank-owned brokerage in Canada to enable traders to define a series of multi-leg strategy in a single order on both Webworker and Advanced Dashboard platform. In this video, I will share with you two benefits of using a multi-leg order. I'll give you two examples of multi-leg strategies, and finally I will show you how to place a multi-leg order on Webworker. Multi-leg orders placed on Webworker save the trader's time and money, in that by the time the trader will have called the trading line to complete the order with the phone, the price of the security might have moved on and cost him or her a valuable opportunity. Also, traders save commission by placing their order as a multi-leg order instead of two separate orders. Using this type of strategy requires traders to select the security and dictate the market sentiment, bullish, bearish, or neutral. For the time being, Webworker supports multi-leg orders only on US securities. My first example of a multi-leg order is a bull call spread. For demonstration purpose only, I will use Apple. Please keep in mind this is not a recommendation to trade a security. Let's say you as a trader are bullish on Apple and you decide to enter a bull call spread as follows. Apple is trading at $159. You're planning to buy one call of Apple expiring on November 2017 with a strike price of $155, and you would like to simultaneously sell one call of the same security with the same expiration date with the strike price of $170, and you're looking for a net debit of $7. That would be a bull call spread. This is an example of a multi-leg order you can place on Webworker. Another example is a buy right. I am buying 100 shares of Apple, symbol AAPL, trading at $159 right now, and I'm simultaneously selling one call of the same security with expiry date in October 2017 and the strike price of $170, and I'm looking for a net credit of $1.30 on the call, so that my net debit becomes $157.70. To enter the order we just saw from our first example, we need to log into Webworker by entering our credential. So access card or username, and then enter password, and after that click on login. For the security reason, I will not be proceeding from here. So log into Webworker, and from the top navigation menu you'll see a buy sell button. I'll meet you there. Now that you've successfully logged into Webworker and you have clicked on buy and sell from the top navigation menu, you have got into this page. For security reason, I will not be sharing the whole page. So just above this section should be a buy and sell, and underneath that should be your account number, TD Direct Investing account number. Very likely should be your default account. Make sure that that account is the account you're planning to use. Otherwise, you can click on the account number and select from the drop down the appropriate account to place your trade. Next, we're going to move to the third tab, which is strategies. Wow, these are the type of strategies order that can be placed with Webworker. In our case, we're looking at the multi-leg. Click on multi-leg. You will notice here that the first section is the security type. In our case, a bull call spread. So both legs will be options. If we were to enter, let's say, for instance, a buy right, we will have selected the first leg as a stock and ETF, and the second one as an option. But in our case, a bull call spread, first leg is option and second leg is option. Then we will be typing here in our search box either the name or the ticker symbol. We know Apple is AAPL. The name populates. I'll select Apple. Now that we've entered our ticker symbol, our next step is to select our expiry date. For bull call spread, both legs expire on the same day. In our case, November of 2017. I will select November. The strike price on the buy side is a 155 calls So I'll select 155 and I'll select call. The action is to buy to open. I'm buying one contract. You also notice here we have an icon for option chain. So alternatively, I could just actually click on the option chain. This should open up a big option chain for my Apple. I will start by selecting the expiry date from the drop down, November 2017. I will go to strike price 170, and because I'm selling, I need to select the bid. So the asking to buy, the bid to sell. So 170 call is the one we're selling. So 360. By default, you'll notice here we have the action sell to close. So I need to change that to sell to open covered. So based on what I have, buy to open, sell to open covered, sell to open uncovered, buy to close, sell to close. I'm selling to open covered. My second leg is covered by my first leg, and there is also one contract. So the price action, market, net debit, net credit, even. So in our case, the bull call spread is always a net debit, and you can notice here the net debit is on the mid price is $6.92. The natural is $7.10. I'm willing to pay $7 only as my net debit. So I can type $7. You can either type 7 or 7.00. Okay, when does my order expire? Today or day order? Or do I need to specify a different date? In my case, let's say I go and choose, I want the order to expire on September 22nd. Okay, I'll then review the order. The next screen actually can preview the order, but before the next screen, I can make sure that I have exactly what I want. On the first leg, I have buy to open one contract of Apple, expiry November 17, 155 call, sell to open covered, one contract of Apple, November 17, 170 call, net debit of $7, order expired on September 22nd. So I'll preview the order, acknowledge the warning, enter my trading password if necessary, and send it. Thank you for watching this video.